Amidst worsening COVID-19 crisis in India, Singapore became the first country from which India procured essentials. India on Saturday procured 4 oxygen tanks from Singapore. The process starts a major initiative to procure more essentials like tanks, remdesivir and oxygen from countries across the globe. India will soon be procuring these essentials from the UAE, Germany, France, Russia, the UK, EU, Australia and China have also offered their support. Meanwhile, SpiceJet on Saturday lifted 800 oxygen concentrators from Hong Kong to Delhi for emergency use in India. SpiceJet plans to bring more than 10,000 oxygen concentrators in the coming days from the globe. And amid the ever-increasing virus cases, at least 15 countries have either imposed travel ban on India, countries have taken precautionary steps and have issued advisories against travelling to or from India. The countries that have imposed travel ban on India are US, UK, Singapore, New Zealand, Hong Kong, Pakistan, Oman, France, Australia, Canada, UAE, Indonesia, Iran, Kuwait and Germany. Germany and the UAE are latest countries to close its borders to travellers from India. Australia has announced that it will reduce the number of citizens who would be able to return from India and other red zone countries. Singapore has announced that all long-term pass holders and short-term visitors with travel history to India in the last 14 days will not be allowed to enter Singapore or transit through the country. Earlier this week, countries including Oman and France had imposed additional restrictions on travel from India, while Oman had indefinitely banned the entry of travellers from India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. France has put India on the list of high-risk countries. Travellers from India need to undergo a mandatory 10-day quarantine upon arrival. The UK has put India on its red list of countries, effectively banning non-citizens from entering its borders. And the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has issued an advisory asking people not to travel to India. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.